Welcome to our comparison of two popular countertop dishwashers, the Hermitlux and the HAVA. In this video, we will explore their features, performance, and overall value to help you decide which one is the best fit for your kitchen. The Hermitlux offers 5 washing programs, which cater to various cleaning needs, while the HAVA boasts 8 washing programs, providing more versatility for different types of dishes and cleaning requirements. This additional flexibility can be a significant advantage for users with diverse dishwashing needs. The Hermitlux features a 5-liter built-in water tank, making it convenient for small kitchens without plumbing access. In contrast, the HAVA includes a water softener, which helps prevent limescale buildup and enhances the longevity of the dishwasher. This feature is particularly beneficial for areas with hard water, ensuring cleaner dishes and better performance over time. While the Hermitlux provides basic functionality, the HAVA enhances user convenience with features like a child lock for safety and a delayed start function, allowing users to set the dishwasher to run at a more convenient time. These added features make the HAVA a more user-friendly option for families and busy households. In conclusion, both the Hermitlux and HAVA countertop dishwashers have their unique strengths. The Hermitlux is ideal for those looking for a compact and straightforward option, while the HAVA offers enhanced features and versatility. We hope this comparison helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.